What's going on, guys? It's Jack from Keylitic, and yesterday in the Dropshipping product research group I made a post asking you guys to ask some of your questions, and I would do my best to answer them. So some of your questions are in, and let's answer them. Okay, so we have several questions from Zunku. I really hope I'm saying your name right. I apologize if I'm not, but I'm going to take each question and try and address it separately. So the first one, how do you automate dropshipping from Amazon to Shopify? Personally, I would not do this. If you want to try and make some money on Amazon without going the Amazon FBA route, then I would consider just signing up and becoming an affiliate. If you sign up and become an Amazon affiliate, whenever someone clicks on your affiliate link, even if they don't buy the product you are promoting, you're going to get a commission for every single product they buy. So that's going to be a very lucrative way to even not have to fulfill orders and worrying about that. Amazon handles everything. You just need to drive the traffic to Amazon. So why would I not set up a dropshipping site through Amazon? Really, the two main reasons. The one is it's against Amazon's terms of service, and if they find out you're doing it, they're going to shut down your seller account. Don't do anything that's going to piss off Amazon. It also doesn't make sense because maybe you can make some money doing this if you find a loophole around it, but it's not going to be sustainable. It's going to catch up to you eventually, and then that stream of income for you is just going to be gone. So if you really want to make some money, learn how to do it legitimately and go through legitimate streams, because it's going to be much more sustainable for you. Also, if someone buys something from you and they get it in an Amazon package, they're probably going to be confused, and they're going to be even more confused when they go to Amazon and see that product's for $10 and saw that you charged them $20 or $30. So definitely go the affiliate route. Alright, next question. When your Facebook ads account is blocked or suspended, can you promote your page using another Facebook account? The answer to that quickly is yes, of course you can. Or do you have to create another page using another account to promote your product? No. You do not need to do that. So what I would do is just have another Facebook account. First of all, burner accounts or fake accounts are not allowed to run ads. So make sure you have another legitimate account somehow. Maybe it's a friend's account you get him involved with, or you have two Facebook somehow. But if you're just using a fake name and Facebook finds out, you're not going to be allowed to actually run ads through that fake Facebook account. So don't do that. But what you can do is go to your manage page roles and just add that other Facebook account as an admin who has all the same capabilities as someone who's also the owner, and you'll have no problem running ads. Okay, so the last question from Zunku. The best spy tool or product research method to find products that sell good. So I have a complete product research masterclass on our YouTube channel if you have any questions about that. But my opinion on spy tools generally is you should not use them. The reason being is when you're using these spy tools, you're going to be mostly finding saturated products. Now, if you do want to use a spy tool, I was actually talking about this in another Facebook group yesterday, and you want to maybe find some products that were recently added to a store that aren't quite big yet. Maybe you can test some of those ads. The only issue with that is you don't really know these stores' product research methods and what they go about doing their how they go about doing their product research rather. So if you don't know how someone's doing something, why would you copy them? It's just not something I personally would do. That doesn't mean you can't. We also have another video on our YouTube channel about saturated products and selling saturated products and when you should do it. But as far as spy tools, that's generally not something I like to use. Okay, the next question was from Glenn. Now, I had already answered this question, but I'm just going to talk about it briefly. He said, are you aware of any reputable fulfillment centers in China that would package multiple products in one box and ship out to customers? It would be a subscription to receive multiple products in one box for each purchase. Same products in each box times how many I can sell through the marketing plan. Thanks for any info. So, what you're trying to sell is a subscription box. That's going to be very hard to do through dropshipping just because there's going to be a lot of moving parts. Ideally, you're going to have to probably find several different suppliers. You're going to have to get all the products together and ship them out. What I would recommend you doing is joining a Facebook group, which I had linked below, of someone who really is in the subscription box business. I used to do some consulting in that space, as a matter of fact, but it was more in the marketing end, not the logistics. So that is not something I ever really handled. I was just handling the marketing campaigns and doing some coaching calls and things like that for marketing. In that case, I would definitely try and talk to a sourcing agent as well from someone overseas, maybe someone who can handle all of that stuff for you on that end and package them. It's just going to be a real pain in the ass, especially if all that's happening in China. But definitely look into the subscription box business model a bit further, and maybe there's some possibilities out there for you. Okay, the next question from Vilmos. Could you please explain Facebook advertising in depth? So, yes, I can absolutely do that. In this video, no. This is just more of a brief Q&A type format. But if there is some interest in doing Facebook ads, an entire series like that, like a masterclass series similar to our product research series, I can absolutely do that, but just let me know, because there's a lot of content like that on YouTube already, so it would almost seem pointless for me to make it. But if you guys are really want me to do it and you're not seeing the type of content on YouTube that is to your liking, then I can absolutely do that for you. Okay, so the last question comes from Fidelis, who asks, can you please explain in a video how to add products to Shopify when you have two strategies, free plus shipping and product plus free shipping? So I'm going to keep it brutally honest with you, Fidelis. I would say testing the free plus shipping model is not even worth your time. The reason being is because realistically, it's going to be very hard to, if you're selling a product for free and the shipping is anything more than like $6, it's going to be really hard for you to convert. And with those Facebook ads, you're not going to be making much more than a couple of dollars anyway. It's just not something that's going to be worth your while. You might be able to break even, and maybe you can train your pixel that way. But honestly, I think you'd be much better just going the products at the standard pricing and then have the free shipping there. And that way, you'll be able to make much more money that way. And that's just preferably the way I would go about doing things. So don't worry about the free plus shipping model. I know a lot of gurus try to preach it, that it can make some money. You're not going to be making much money. If you're not going to be making a lot of money doing something, then it's not worth your time. Okay, so we didn't have too many questions this week, so that's going to wrap up the video. Like I said, if you guys want your own questions answered, whether it's about drop shipping, marketing, really just about anything, drop it in the comments either of this video or join our Facebook group, and when I have a post there asking for a Q&A, drop your questions there and I'll answer it for you. So, it's going to wrap up the video. I'll see you on the next one.